Looking for great hair dryers to buy on Black Friday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Salon quality in your home. Professional 2100 watts hair dryer with long life AC motor, designed for salon quality drying and styling performance, by Hangsun. Number 2, heal your hair while drying with the Stafford Blow. Dry faster and nourish Ionic hair dryer, by Stafford. Number 3, it can deliver the powerful wind, and concentrate the wind. Reduce the wastage, prolong the service life, by MHU. UK Black Friday deals are now available. Click this link below and get yours.